1994. In 1994, we stood in long queues for more than 1 day to remove the government that was not helping us, the apartheid government. After 30 years, we are back to square one. We are living with a government that has taken us back in every way. Unemployment, crime, load shedding, corruption, poor infrastructure, poor service delivery. So now, the elections this year, even the people who belong in the party that governs our country, when it is load shedding, we are all subjected to darkness. When there is no water here in Ward 99 for 18 days, even members of a ruling party, they stay without water. So now, 2024 should not be about loving the history of the party that governs our country, but it should be about fixing the damage that has been done by the same party by assisting it to be taken out from power, as it happened in Ward 99, as it is happening in many wards in KwaZulu-Natal and elsewhere in South Africa. That must be experienced on the 29th of May so that we fix the water challenges, infrastructure destruction, as well as the load shedding, which we addressed in Johannesburg when we had a presser regarding the load shedding issue. Thank you.